You have a serious heart condition. They said his heart would end his dream. But dreams never die for those who refuse to quit.
Come on. Come on. He did it.
You like him that much?
One day,
One day what?
that's gonna be me.
Then you'd better start practicing tomorrow. Are there lots of fish today?
Eat up, Lucas. Next week, Dad will buy you even tastier food.
I'll use it to make a ball. This homemade ball can be used for practice at home. Today, I will practice my dribbling skills really well. It's late. I'll go practice again tomorrow.
You're going to become a football star one day.
You think so?
Either that, or you'll kick a hole through this island.
Maybe both.
Will there be a football match here?
Who is he?
That boy has potential. Hello, everyone. I am a scout for the Young Talent Academy. We would like Lucas to join our academy.
What? It's me?
Please clarify this for us.
Training to become a football superstar?
The Academy will cover all expenses. Training, school, housing, everything.
You want to go?
I do.
Then go.
What if I fail?
Then fail.
But fail while chasing your dream.
Hello, little fisherman. Did you come here by fishing boat?
Yes, that's my family's way of earning money.
Say it again.
Leave it. Okay, stop thinking about it. Let's keep practicing.
Lucas,
Yes, Coach.
why are you still here?
Because somebody out there is working harder.
Lucas, we found a serious heart condition.
I can still play, right?
You should get some sleep. Listen to you. Somebody has to be responsible. Bossy as always.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
The surgery worked.
Are you crazy? Probably.
You just had surgery. I know.
You should be resting.
Resting won't help me catch up.
Welcome to the 2026 World Cup. Lucas.
did it! We are champions!
You own some of the most valuable trophies in football.
I do.
Then why keep those old shoes?
Because they got here first.